tape it.
Did you reply to that?
That's creepy.
Are you taping it?
No!
You're a big old cat.
I like when they take it down.
Superman, motherfucker.
Here. Oh, don't use it all. Let
No, there's still 2 more balloons.
some of the other girls do it.
Oh man, I'm getting really lightheaded.
What if this is mushrooms? Yeah, Mr. Lexus sounds good. You okay?
Joel?
You gonna be okay?
You didn't cry.
Don't do that anymore. Joel?
Joel, you don't have enough brain cells to damage.
You know what? You're not getting me out of school anymore.
Let Erica do it.
Yeah, let Erica do it.
No.
But
No, I don't want it.
she sounds the same way without doing it.
Where is it?
Hold it right here. Just start sucking.
Do it, Erica. Come on, do it.
Do it, Erica.